This 36-inch all-gas range by Bluestar is part of a culinary series. It is available in 1,000 exterior colors, 190 knob colors, and 10 trim options, making it completely customizable. You also have the option to create your own custom colors. The custom color combination featured is matte black with brass trim, along with one extra-large black glass viewing window and the signature Bluestar logo. The range top consists of 6 heavy-duty cast-iron open-style wok burners. Burner outputs consist of 1 simmer burner that gets down to 130 degrees and 5 15,000 BTU Nova power burners. Below the bullnose are 7 stainless knobs with brass bezels, a convection fan switch, and an oven light. There's also an easily accessible pull-out drip tray. The oven interior is large enough to accommodate several 18 by 26-inch chef's pans and comes with 2 heavy-duty flat racks, 5 rack positions, 2 halogen oven lights, and a convection fan. To learn more about ranges, visit us at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.